Hi, I'm Meadow with Sunday Afternoons, and today I'm going to tell you about the Alpine Fedora. This is an exciting winter fedora style that's got a lot of great features. Now, the first thing I want to start off and tell you about is this performance herringbone fabric we're using. Not only is it durable and offering a nice classic refined look, but it's also stain and water resistant as well. If we take a look at the brim, it is 2-inch on both the front and back, gives you nice protection from the elements, looks great. Spinning the hat around, we have a nice custom sizing system in the back, and a feature that I really love is this ear flap that we have here. You'll notice how this really hugs the mannequin's head, carries around to the back of the neck. What does this really mean for you? It is warm and comfortable. Comfortable because it stretches, warm because it's micro fleece bonded. Really sets this hat apart from the rest. Taking a look under the hood, first thing you're gonna notice is this dark underbrim, protects your eyes from glare. If we come back to this ear flap, you can actually fold this ear flap into the crown, completely disappears and does not change the overall fit of the hat. And look at that fit. This is a style that is gonna be at home whether you're in the city or on the frontier. So versatile, so valuable. Give it a try. It is the Alpine Fedora by Sunday Afternoons. And don't forget your hat.